Hi everybody, it's April, and I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of my Leither company. Get the box open. I ordered the extra scan of yarn, so I'd get 2 scans instead of 1. And I went ahead and I picked one up because I wanted to see what it would look like. And this yarn, the name of it is April Showers. It's a sport, 100% superwash merino, and each scan is, or each hank, is 328 yards. And, excuse me, and the color really does remind me of April, makes me think of April showers. The yarn is so pretty. Let's see if I can unwind it here. I have to move it. There we go. Especially those colors right there makes me think of spring. And then you got the gray for the rain. Let's see if I can pull this up and hold the camera up so you can see it better. I think it's really pretty. And then my hook. Remember, these are all handmade hooks. The tips are clover. And I believe this one is a 3 or a 3.5 or something like that. It says, I've been trying to decide if that's a 3 or an E on the end. Or an M. But the patterns call for a, I think, 3.5. And usually that's what it comes with, the hook that goes with the pattern. Yeah, it says 3.5. I'll show you the patterns for this month. It's shiny. It's April Showers. Shower pattern is this, I don't know if it's a cow or if it's a shawl. It's a shawl. And that is for the April Showers, the sport weight wool. And then the rainy day pouch is the other pattern, and that is, looks like a little makeup bag, or that's what the pouch is being used for, but that is for the cotton yarn that they offer instead of the wool. You'll have to check these guys out. I can't say anything really but I love their homemade, their handmade hook handles. And like I said, it has the clover leaf. And each one's different. If you didn't watch my last unboxing, you won't get the same size hook in 1 year. You'll get a different size every month. This was last month's, if you didn't see my hook from last month. And it was a number 4. They're both, I think they're both beautiful. And they come in this nice little box. So I believe her name is Ashley Leither. And she does have a YouTube channel called Leither Company. So you'll want to check them out. And if you're able to, you might want to order some of their hooks or their yarn or both. I know the hooks are offered in, like, the colors that I have. They're called confetti, or you can get them in the natural wood. They're, no matter what, they're all beautiful. Let's see, this should be somewhere in this box. To go with the April showers theme for this month, this is the stitch mark. And so far, I'm assuming you get a stitch marker every month, because so far I have. This is my second month. Last month was Under the Sea, I believe was the theme. And you don't know ahead of time what the theme is. It's a surprise. So it makes it really fun. I mean, just like the knit crate used to be, you could get it as a surprise, or you could, now you can pick your colorway, or you can cheat if you don't want to even pick your colorway. You can still get it as a surprise, but then you can always cheat and see on YouTube or on Knit Crate's website what the color is going to be. But I still love Knit Crate, but this is my new subscription box that I'm in love with. And I think it's mainly because the yarn's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but I think it's because of the hooks. So, have a great day, everybody, and stay healthy and safe. And I will have my 1K giveaway video out no later than Monday. Have a great weekend.